Okay, that was her out of juice. Okay, that was her out of juice. I can't see for that bloody sun. I'm happy about those bumps. Those bumps don't even affect the car at all. So I'm proper pleased about that. Right, let's see what we got. Topping's a bit heavier than what I was liking it to be, but I'm content. I am content. So let's let it cool down for a bit and stick the other batteries in. Oh, that's warm, that's warm. Come on, let's get this on and then we'll see what speed we're doing. Okay, let's see what speed we're doing. Turn this off first. The sun needs to go down, so it does. These other batteries are getting heated to 40 degrees since I got here. Let's see what we got. It's not going to be very good because that was the third run on those batteries. So I could hear it just starved the power there, so it did. It ran out of juice, you may say. So stop, read, 142, there you go. Quite pleased with that. These other batteries being heated like this are going to be absolutely vicious, so we should get a PB here. Happy with that, very happy with that. We'll let it settle down, maybe the sun will drop below those hedges, it'll make it easier, and we'll let this cool down a wee bit. Okay, so data logs from my outing road turned out to be extremely good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 runs here logged. Data log ran out for the last run. From memory, I think it was 5 runs altogether we did. So we'll have a look at the 142. So these batteries aren't great. They're not great. So what I am going to do with the setup that you have, you can't really reduce the pinion anymore, so you can go down to 27, but I don't think it would be any enough. So currently for this setup I'm running 28 pinion, 34 spur, and I changed to the V2 gearing. What I am going to do until I get new batteries is go up on the spur. So I think I'll try I'll go up from a 34 to a 36 and see if that can get me up into the 150s and keep the voltage from dropping so much. So we've got, this is the 142 mile an hour run. Cap pack is obviously doing relatively good job, so it is. So that would normally be very, very high, got around the 180, 190 mark. The voltage did drop down in this run to 21.2, which is shockingly low there. Dangerously low. It's not good for your batteries. And I got 1, 2, 3.5 seconds full pull, but it was still accelerating. As I say, there was a car parked on up the road. Turns out there was nobody in it, but it was still parked in a very inconvenient location. You can see the RPM was still building, so there was more in that run. Obviously it was 142, but I only got 99.7 out, which I'm a bit, I find that a bit odd, so I may recalibrate the remote